Hello everybody, I am Alan Geaam, head chef of restaurant Alan Geaam, 1 Michelin star, 16 in Paris. Today we're gonna prepare together a recipe for Laboratoire Servier. Actually for the diabetic patient, it's called blanquette of chicken, vegetable and rice. For this recipe, we need white chicken, rice, eggs yolk, flowers, butter, onion, garlic, thyme, carrot, turnips, celery, salt, a lot of spice, cream and mushrooms. Let's go to make the recipe together. First step to make our recipe: to cook the rice. Brown rice 25 minutes. Hot water, salt, a little bit of romarin. Second step, to cook our vegetable. Actually, we're gonna start with the white vegetable, after with the color. I'm gonna start with mushrooms, cut it in 4, and we're gonna cook it with chicken stocks. Now we're gonna cook the turnips. Now I'm gonna put the celery branch and the carrot at the same time because it takes the same time to cook. Now our rice is ready. We're gonna take it off from the hot water. We're gonna wash it. Now we're waiting for the carrot and celery to cook. We're gonna cut the chicken, the white breast. Actually, blanquette is mean like big piece like that. The traditional recipe, we make it with the veal. But I chose the white chicken because it's more light, and what we said at the beginning, this really diabetic patient. So white chicken is very good idea to make this blanquette. One thing is very important for me. The carrot, I didn't peel it. I leave it with the skin, but I wash it very, very good. Why? Because it's all the vitamin in the skin. So now we cook all the vegetable. I have the celery, the carrot, the mushrooms, turnips. So I need now to cook the white chicken in the chicken stocks. Actually, this recipe, it's look like vapor, but it's not really vapor because we have a spice, we have salt, we have thyme, garlic, a lot of things. So they give it like a lot of perfume for this recipe. Once the time the chicken is cooking, now I'm gonna start to cook the garlic and onion, very small. Always be careful about my fingers and your fingers also. Now we're gonna start with the steps the most important of the recipe. This is sauce of blanquette. The first thing, we're gonna take a little bit of butter. We take the garlic, onion, and now we're gonna put the flour to make actually like a roux blanc. Now our chicken is ready, it's cooked. And here with the chicken stock, I'm gonna put all the peppers, cardamom, star anise, and black peppers. They smell very good, very delicious. Actually, this is very traditional French recipe, but when we put all the spices inside it, we make it like travel. And I love travel. Wonderful. Our sauce is not ready yet. We need to put noix de muscat. It smells very, very good. Cream and eggs yolk. It's look Very, very yummy. Et voilà, our recipe, white chicken façon blanquette with vegetable and rice. Bon appétit!